Ilang sandali pa, kinumpronta ni na Crystal at Carmel si Miguel.
Anong ibig sabihin ng gap?
You want to know?
Yes. Na ano?
It was Lee who initiated it.
Na?
Si Lee nga may kasalanan.
Na?
Maya-maya pa, tinawag ni Miguel ang isa pang sangkot sa issue na si Inigo.
Ayoko talaga sabihin.
Bakit pa ayaw mo?
Kasi hindi, sobrang inappropriate talaga.
See?
Exactly.
Diba sa'yo nagaling mismo na it's
Inappropriate.
So I don't know. I don't know what to do about it kasi I wasn't the one there. Laughing about it kasi he was the one who said it.
Yeah, but it was about Carmel.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you felt that way.
But yun nga, ano yung sinasabi ni Carmel kanina, that you guys were laughing because of Lee, because Lee was making inappropriate jokes about life.
Yeah, that we shouldn't have tolerated.
Right? That you guys should have
Yeah, my bad also.
Especially as a man.
Yes.
Especially as our friend.
I'm sorry.
Diba?
Sorry. Sorry, Carmel.
Especially as our friend.
Sorry, Carmel.
Yung nangyari po sa Zelda, yung sinabi ko po kasi sa kanya, yung sa side ko, hindi ko po minimean in a sexual way. Ang sinabi ko po sa kanya, you moving different. She was moving like that, like that. Parang iba talaga yung way niya kung paano siya maglakad.
Come on, it's okay. Go up. You have to face it. Come on. I also want to talk to her. Okay? Let's all talk about it. No, I'm sorry also.
Tsaka because we were talking about it sa lahat ng girls. So sinabi namin na it's better if you guys just really talk about it. Yun lang yung gusto namin dito is for guys to not objectify us.
Yeah.
And even if it's funny in your head, it's really not right.
Ilang saglit pa, naiwan si Inigo para magpaliwanag kay Carmel.
In the moment, I wasn't really thinking about my words. The impact versus I wasn't really thinking about impact ng joke ko.
Just be extra careful, be mindful. Like, iisipin mo talaga muna kung ano yung magiging actions mo or yung words na gagamitin mo bago mo gawin or bago mo sabihin.
Yeah, thank you. That's gonna help me really kind of change a lot of things. I'm open to change though. I really am.
Ano naman? Yeah.
Siyempre, kinakapa ko rin sarili ko, moving towards every day. Siyempre, di naman ako perfect. Tsaka, sa labas talaga, kulokoy ako eh. Kaya, ayun. Pero may respeto ako sa babae. Yun yung unang-una. May respeto ako sa babae.
Kinabukasan, si Lee naman ang kinausap ni na Crystal at Carmel.
Gusto ko lang na i-instill yun sa'yo. Na you're not your mistakes, okay?
Yeah.
But we just didn't appreciate that you were making inappropriate jokes about life.
Oh.
Yun lang. That's why we were kind of distant towards you because we were disgusted. And we are disappointed.
Okay.
Very disappointed. Very disappointed. We talked to Nigs about it. We also talked to Miguel already because they were also part of it. They participated in laughing about it. It's not a kabataang Pinoy should do.
Yeah.
And you're 16, right? You're so young, Lee. We're also very young here. And we should be an example to everybody.
As a gentleman, I should have known better, kuya. Kung nga alam ba't namin pinagpapatuloy yung mga ganun jokes eh. Alam namin na masama na yun, masagwa, pero tinutuloy-tuloy pa rin namin. And I believe it's because of how comfortable we are sa isa't isa na akala namin kami lang ng mga boys yung nag-aapektuhan sa isa't isa na akaalam ng mga jokes nakarating na dun sa mga girls. And that is the worst possible thing that could happen. And it did happen.
So I think kasi in this house, we get so comfortable with other people, we forget to consider other people's feelings. Consider what we're gonna feel. And consider if it's right or wrong. So yun lang.
That's on me. I admit that I did say a joke that was inappropriate and I'm so sorry.
Actually po kuya, kahit hindi pa naman po sila kuya nagsasorry po, talagang okay naman na po ako kuya doon. Napatawad ko na nga po sila kuya. Nakita ko naman po, naramdaman ko din naman po kuya na parang sincere din naman po kuya yung pag-sorry po nila kuya.
And talaga, that's on me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lee.
I'm sorry.
No, we appreciate you for apologizing.
Honestly, kuya, was very unexpected na ganun yung magiging kalabasan ng kung paano namin ma-resolve yung issue. I confronted them, I approached them in a way that I'm sincere with what I'm saying. Sa pamaraan na mahal ko kayo, kaya ako sinasabi at pinaparealize sa inyo yung ginagawa niyo. I genuinely appreciated them because they took it with the heart. Tinanggap nila yung pagkakamali nila, kuya, and they really apologized and they're trying their best maging maayos talagang samahan namin dito sa loob.